The marketplace. Welcome to our marketplace, one of the most exciting features on Cryptohopper. On this page, you can buy, share, and rate the best templates, strategies, and signals in automated trading. For beginners, the marketplace provides a perfect opportunity to get started with high-performing settings. And if you're feeling more like you know crypto trading inside out, it's a great way to show this to the rest of the world by becoming a seller. The marketplace is split up into 3 different categories, namely signals, strategies, and templates. Signals allow you to subscribe and automate specific buy and sell directions from a third-party analyst. Strategies and templates, on the other hand, are pre-made configurations that can be bought. Strategies covers purely the technical analysis and combination of indicators that will drive your hopper's buying or selling decisions. Templates, on the other hand, covers everything around that, including your chosen coins, stop losses, sell settings, and more. These can usually be bought along with strategies to create a fully completed configuration. Take the time to view and buy a marketplace item that you like and implement it on your hopper. When you subscribe to a signal, you can exclusively let your hopper use signals by hitting Signals Only. If you buy a strategy, don't forget to select your strategy under Strategy Settings. Finally, your bought template can be found under View All Hoppers, Market Templates. Got any questions? Send a message to our help desk. And as always, happy hopping!